Tip 1. Fluffy, spongy eggs. First, prepare a large bowl and dough eggs. Crack the eggs into the bowl. Use chopsticks or a whisk to beat them thoroughly until the yolks and whites are completely blended, forming a smooth mixture. Next, place a skillet on the stove, add a little cooking oil, and heat until the oil is hot. Once the oil is sizzling, reduce the heat to low and gently pour the egg mixture into the skillet. You can use a spoon to spread it evenly. Fry the eggs until the bottom is golden brown, then sprinkle a little black pepper on top. Flip the eggs over. Sprinkle pepper on the other side and fry for a moment longer until fully cooked. Finally, transfer the eggs to a plate. Sprinkle with some herbs for extra flavor. Add a little spicy chili sauce, then cut and enjoy. Tip 2. First, prepare 2 potatoes. Peel the potatoes, rinse them with water, and then cut them into small pieces. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. Next, prepare a pot of water. Place it on the stove and bring it to a boil. While waiting for the water to boil, I cracked 2 eggs into a bowl. Add a little chopped cilantro. Then use a fork to mix well. When the water boiled, I added the pre-cut potatoes. And boil until tender, then remove them and place them in a bowl. After removing the potatoes from the water, use a fork or potato masher to mash them. Add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Next, quickly soak the sandwich bread in water until softened, then squeeze out the excess water and finely chop it. It's wonderful to connect with you from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Add the chopped bread to the bowl of potatoes. Next, add a little chopped dill. Then pour it into a bowl. Add salt, pepper, and a little chili powder to taste. Finally, add the egg mixture and stir well. After mashing them, I put them on a cutting board. I wrapped a layer of plastic wrap around this cutting board to prevent sticking and save the trouble of washing it. Mold them into round and elongated shapes like cucumbers. After finishing, use a knife to cut them into several pieces, each about 3 centimeters long. Use a fork to gently press the pancake to slightly flatten it, which helps it cook evenly and makes it easier to flip when frying. Place the pan on the stove, add cooking oil, and heat it up. When the oil reaches the desired temperature, gently drop each piece of cake into it. Fry until one side is golden brown and crispy, then flip and continue frying until both sides are a beautiful golden color. Finally, transfer the cakes to a plate and garnish with tomatoes and cilantro for an attractive and appealing presentation. Serve hot with chili sauce. These potato cakes are not only crispy on the outside and soft and fluffy on the inside, but they also offer a harmonious, simple yet captivating flavor that evokes a warm and cozy feeling during every family meal. If you found this video helpful and interesting, don't forget to hit like to support me. Please subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next delicious and simple cooking videos. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family so everyone can have another delicious dish for their family meals. Thank you very much.